welcome. So today we're going to be unboxing the Halo Wellness Band, the Amazon Halo Wellness Band, which I'm sure you all are familiar with. That was announced in August and now it is here. So we are going to unbox it here in this video. Now I'm not going to actually do a review of it in this video, I'm just unboxing it. That was fairly easy to open. And now I've got our actual Amazon Halo. As you can tell, it's the large one. And it tells you all the features such as labs, body composition, sleep, tone of voice, activity, and Halo membership. Swim per 24/7 heart. Always getting smarter. Okay, so now we're going to open up the packaging. I'm guessing it's one you. Okay, so we're gonna need to get the scissors here. Alright, so now we've got that open. Now we can go ahead and, we've got one on this side too, so we'll need to get this side. And now we've got enough room to open up our Halo Wellness Band. Now this does not have a screen, as you all know. This is for my father, it's not my Halo. And then we are greeted with some more packaging. Which you shouldn't even need scissors to open this. And here we go. We really greeted directly with our actual Halo Wellness Band. And then just some packaging here. And now, just like a watch, you can adjust it. And I'll put it on, see how it fits. A little tight. It's still good. And now if we look at the rest of the packaging here, we've got, looks like our manual, which just gives us some basic instructions on everything. And then if we go even further, we've got some more stuff, such as our charger, a really weird charger. Sorry for that, dog's barking. I can't control my dogs. And now we've got our actual packaging, which I feel like there's some. Nope, there's not anything in here. Alright, so I guess that is it for this video. This is our cable. And this is our actually Amazon Halo itself. This is the black color. I will leave a buy link in the description so that way you can get it for yourself. It costs $100. And I guess that'll be it for this video. Please subscribe so that way I can get one step closer to being monetized, which requires 1,000 subscribers, as I'm trying to reach 100 before Thanksgiving. And somebody unsubscribed to me, which is not part of my goals, so just don't. That is a rule on my channel that you cannot unsubscribe unless you're a robot. And also, please like so that way my videos can get ranked higher in YouTube's algorithm, so that way my videos can get recommended to more people. Please share to promote my content. Please, if you have you checked my Twitter and Instagrams lately, you can go ahead and check them out at my link in the description. Please check out my other 2 channels, being Fanboy Films Productions and Theodore Macker, and please check out my website too. And I guess that is all for this video, and peace out.